Information used to answer questions. Now it stimulates responses. That's the difference between information and content. Most of what fills your feed is not meant to be important. It is meant to occupy attention, trigger emotion, maintain your engagement, and prevent silence from entering your life. Because silence is where thinking happens. This is why everything feels urgent. You feel engaged, you feel aware, you feel more mature, but nothing ever resolves. Because resolution ends the engagement cycle. It's designed to make you feel like you're participating in it. Which brings us to layer number 3, the collapse of information, and layer number 4, fear and identity control. Humans evolved to survive in small groups where exclusion meant death. That wiring has never changed. Belonging used to come from family and tribe and shared work. But now it comes from follower counts and digital identities and digital approval. Conformity is enforced with social threat. You're quietly warned. You're shown that not reacting might be suspicious. Questioning the frame is dangerous, so people react publicly. Why? Fear of ostracism, the fear of being labeled, being seen as one of them. It's constant in the background of everything, and that is not accidental. Social media didn't invent fear, but it multiplied it by orders of magnitude, and here's why. Fear scales engagement better than any other emotion. It speeds reaction, it reduces nuance, it increases sharing, and it locks your memory in place. The system learns. It tracks what spikes your heart rate, what makes you comment, what makes you argue, what makes you pissed off, and it feeds you more of that. Hate, panic, fear, and anger become advertising products. The longer you stay emotionally activated, the more valuable you become in real dollars. We call it the attention economy. That's a cover story. The real product is your cortisol. The system doesn't just want your eyes, it wants your nervous system hijacked. A stable identity does something dangerous. It resists manipulation, but the system is very clever. You're kept in a constant state of moral emergency. Every week, a new crisis, a new outrage, a new villain pre-packaged for you. Something detonates emotionally, then it's immediately buried by the next thing. That's identity fragmentation. When people don't have time to form their values slowly, they accept pre-packaged moral frames, ready-made positions, approved language, approved emotions, approved enemies. Morality stops being something you develop, it becomes something you display. You're not forming values anymore, you're curating positions from a menu. Belief is a costume you change based on which audience is watching. And here's the most unsettling part. People start to feel relief when morality is handed to them because it removes responsibility. They don't have to think, they just have to align. And alignment feels safe when fear is everywhere. Once your identity is a weapon they control, they don't need to argue with you anymore. They just need to tell you a story.